I want a Nasdaq long, micro Nasdaq long. I'm trading the opening range breakout. Actually, stopped recording pretty late because I was having some issues with this app. As you can see, we're long 2 micros. So far, so good. I'm going to trade the stop using the shelf method. Whenever you have such strong movement to the upside, you should anticipate some sort of pullback. So that's why you need to, if you're trailing your stop, you need to give enough space for price to maneuver. That's why I'm not going here yet. I'm up almost 400. Moving it now. 360s. I take this trade on the 15-minute chart, but I'm watching it on the 5-minute for better management. You can go down to 1 minute as well. The close of this candle is going to be important. It's going to tell me whether if it is also the move or not. Seems that we have. Yeah, it's going to be some sort of pullback. Nice. I'm not going to move the stop any further unless I see what happens next. Am I going to miss out on $130? Yes. But on the flip side, you can catch some large moves waiting rather than rushing in. You never know what Nasdaq does really. They can produce some wild moves. Those who are trading the MNQ know what I'm talking about. Now that's nice. Now if this holds up this area I'm going to move my stop below this candle, but it's too early now. Candle's just in 1 minute. It's a 5-minute candle. I can go to these areas. Because I don't want to miss out on too much of it. Already locked in $300. It's a quick scalp trade. It's not my main strategy. If you've watched my previous video, you know what I usually trade gold on a mechanical strategy. Obviously, you can't expect this move to just go on forever. It will stop us out at some point. You can see that, right? Which is why, if I'm keen on catching the long-term move, I need to give it more space. Maybe stay here, but I'm not. I will get as much of this move as I can focused on the short term. I can flip to 15 minutes, trail on the 15-minute chart. That'll be safer in terms of staying in the trade. Because this can just get hit very quickly with the next candle. It's Nasdaq, you know what Nasdaq does, right? They can print some large candles, some crazy wigs at times. It's up almost 500. I think it's time I move underneath that candle. That's valid. I think I might as well look into closing this trade, because let's look at our left side. Is there a clean range? There is a clean range. Aiming for those eyes, I think. We're up 500 here. So let's just take as much of it as possible. This should take us out. If not, the next candle will. That's the whole point of this style of trading, right? You trail the stop, you follow the price wherever it goes. That's not for you to decide. You just follow the price. Now, should I give it a bit more room? Stay down here? Probably yes. Like I said, I've been in this trade long enough. I was just looking to scalp it. It's already good. It's a decent amount already. For 50k account, that's 1%. So trade management is more important than entries and setups. Yeah, this will probably take us out. That's fine on that.
Order filled.
There you go. That was a good trade. I'm happy about it. Like I said, it's what I do on the side. My main strategy is on gold and price reversion, but I like to trade the opening range breakout on Nasdaq as well. It's very consistent. The old strategy, one of the oldest strategies in the game, and it works just fine. And bear in mind I was just in 2 contracts, 2 micro contracts, and I made $390. So, and again, I could have stayed here, let price run. This probably makes a bottom here, probably moves up again. The chance of that happening is pretty positive. But if I stayed here, I'd give up most of my winnings. So, and I'd be in the trade from here. So that's long enough. I'm trying to scalp. That's good. You need to decide what's enough for you, right? That depends on the trader. You need to decide what's enough for you, and you decide how to trade your stop based on that. So I'm happy with what I got. This was a good trade. I'll see you in the next one.